it's Nam here, welcome back. And it get a little cold here in Vietnam, but it will stop with working with the bag. So first, let me show you guys what we're gonna do today. So in this episode, we will put on the new triple tree and the new forks. But first, I will change the forks oil. The forks are new, but I don't know how long was the forks putting in the store. And I don't know if it is overkill or not, but if it is anything wrong happens, I want it to happen before I putting anything back on the bag. So I will change the forks oil to make sure the forks are under control. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the forks are full of new oil and I use liquid moly fork oil, and make sure you guys check your workshop manual to give the forks the right volume of oil. So for mine is 120 to 130 cc. It is same as milliliter, so make sure to check your workshop manual. And now we will put on the 333 and then put on the new forks. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the triple tree is in place. Half of the triple tree is in place. The top yoke is still here, but I'm not gonna put it on right now because we will use these clip-on handlebars. So now I will take the top yoke to the CNC machine, try to hand control and cut off these two handlebar clamps. So let's go to the CNC. Okay guys, so the top yoke is clamped on. And now I will use this hand control to mill out these two clamps. So let's try it out. Okay guys, so the top yoke is done, nice and smooth, and now I will give it a couple coats of paint and then we will put it back on the bag. Okay guys, so I'm here in the spray booth and I just put the final coat on, and this is a matte clear coat, and I will put it here for a couple of hours and then we will put it back on the bag. Okay guys, so the top yoke is done, and now we'll put on the top yoke and the new forks. Okay guys, this is my new triple tree and the new forks. The reasons why I changed the triple tree and the forks, it is because I want to have the wider ties in the front. And let me show you guys the original one. So here it is the stock triple tree, and you guys can see the new one is wider, so I can put the wider ties in the front up to 120. And another reason, it is because I want to turn the front brake from the drum brake to the disc brake, so I need to change the triple tree and the forks as well. So that is okay guys, so this is today's episode, and if you have any questions or advice for me, just leave the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.